Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.